What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. As you know, this is probably one of the products that I really wanted to review, but unfortunately, I'm trying to get in contact with my energy company to see about this rebate thing that they got going. So I talked to a guy at work, and he said he got the same thing, this Nest Learning thermostat, this one, not the other one. This one for like 90 bucks from our electric company. I'm in Maryland, BG&E. So if you in Maryland, I hope you get me some information on this too. So he got the same one for $90. And when I went onto the website, it says see if you're eligible. I try to see if I was eligible, and it says website. As soon as I click enter, it says website is under maintenance. Now the thing about this, y'all know I bought this, when was it? Like a week before Thanksgiving or something like that. Today is December 3rd, so today is the mark of my 15th day of having this. Now I got this from Costco. The way Costco work is with their high-tech techs and electronics, computers, printers, all that stuff. You have a certain amount of time. The lady told me, I think it was 15 days or something like that. Even at Walmart, if you get some high-end electronic, I think you got like 15 days or something to turn it in if something's wrong. Now, as you can tell, I did not open this. This is still fresh in the packet. Now, the only thing I can say is I think I'm on my 15 days or I'm 1 day away. If they say I can't return it, I am not going to cry about it. I'm going to install it. So I'm returning it to see if we could save some money. That's all. So they can obviously see that I haven't opened the boxes or nothing. So I have the thermostat here. I have the temperature sensor here. And that's all I want to tell y'all. If y'all in the Maryland area, BG&E, which is our electric supplier, they say that they have a rebate going. Now, I am not under budget billing. Budget billing is a set billing cycle through the whole year. I like being in control of my bills. I like being in control of my electric. I like being in control of my water. I like, if I'm not using that much water in the winter, then the bill is lower. As y'all know, I water grass a lot. I water crap a lot. So if it's new grass and stuff, I know that the bill is going to be a little bit slight higher than usual. That's why y'all see me with rain barrels, right? If it's illegal, legal, or, mandated, government controlled and all that stuff. But anyways, that's blah, 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 blah. Once again. All right, you guys. So if y'all did get this for $170, be on the lookout for the BG&E. I will try to put a link. If you're in Maryland, I will try to put a link into that rebate deal. Like I said, I don't know if it's budget billing situation, then I won't qualify because I'm not under budget billing. And that's about it. If you under budget billing, then you should take advantage. I mean, 90 bucks, you can set your own temperature, but for my understanding, budget billing, when I used to have it many moons ago, was a set pay rate every month, and that's about it. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to give y'all that heads up. That's why I haven't reviewed this Nest thermostat. I do have another thermostat, though, very cheap, that I just want to test out for the fun of it, see if the smartness of it works. It's real cheap, so if it don't work for me, then I'm not going to have no hard feelings about it. And there's another Honeywell that I want to test out. Y'all know I got 2 units, right? So I have to get 2 thermostats, of course. Both of my thermostats are old, and once again, blah, 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 blah. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.